Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, obviously from the title you will know that today I am here with a Zara haul. So, the Zara haul is going to be all basics. Zara is very popular for their basics, so I thought I might as well just share with my purchases. As you all know, with the second lockdown happening now, I have been holding on to these pieces for the longest time ever. I've worn a few, so I decided I might as well just, you know, get it out there and get this video done. So the background is different, so we have moved into our new home, and this is my new beauty room. Still not finished, but we're getting there. So still have a few pieces missing. I will get another video out just to show the process of how long it took me to actually build the thing from nothing to this. So that's going to come in another video. But today what I have for you is Zara. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to talk about the pieces and the price and how it looks, I guess. So I'll just, this is the stuff that I bought online, that's why it came in this. I will be doing a second Zara haul with winter pieces, so like jumpers and stuff. So the box comes in like this with a little silver thing. Sorry for the noise. So I'll put the box down here. The first piece that I would like to talk about is this little dress that I'm actually wearing. I have it in two colors. I have it in the brown. They actually came out with lovely colors this year. Like the brown, it is hopping. Their tracksuits, their dresses, the little jumpers, the two-piece leggings and tops. I have one, but not in brown. But look at this beautiful, like burnt orange brown. I absolutely love it. I try to get as many things in this color as possible. So the dress is the ribbed material. You can put it in long or make it short because of these little things here. And the price on it is $15.95. I think I'm actually going to change the camera view, so I'll be standing because it's easier to actually show these and then try them on and just talk about it. So that's what I'm actually going to do. So I'll just be right back. I'll change the view and I'll be with you in a minute. I've changed the view on the camera, and this is how the little dress looks like. So you can pull it down. I paired it with black tights. I was actually out today, so I left them on, but how pretty is this? I love it. So just put a little bit out, and that's that. So this is the dress in the brown. I actually much prefer this one. It's like the other one is classic. It's grey, you can wear it with anything. But this is like, I feel it's like a bold colour. It's actually really lovely. And to be fair, I got this one in small, but it feels a little bit looser. I actually like it like this. It's lovely. So the next piece is, as I said, it's all basics. So I have the leggings, size medium. I have them in a small as well in the box, and I have them in a medium because I didn't know which one I'll be able to get into because my waist is skinnier, but this size I don't think it's going to fit in the small, so we'll have a look. So I got the medium, and they're $19.95, and they look like this. I'll show it in a minute how I pair these, but I'll pair them with obviously the classic. I have them in 4 colours. So classic white, the nude, well, it says brown, but it's actually a deep red, and obviously the black one. So I'll try one or two. I'll try the red one and the white one with the trousers, and they are 12 euro. That one was £1, I don't know why. It's 12.95. So I'll just pop one of these on with the trousers and I'll be right back. So I've put on the white one, and as usual the back. It's a bit we'll have to keep it, you know, PG, so I put in little for the nips, but yeah, that's how it looks. The leggings, as I expected, I put the small ones on. They don't fit my buttocks, but the medium ones are quite loose at the bottom. Yeah, so they're quite loose at the bottom, and then this bit here, don't know. So this is the reddish brownish one. Absolutely love it. I think out of the 4 that I have, obviously black is a staple. Everybody has it. It goes on with everything, you know, as is. But I love this one. Absolutely love it. This little handbag. If I'm not mistaken, I actually wore this already. It's $39.95 for the bag, and it comes with a longer strap as well, and the little, how cute is this? Like, so the next thing I have are these pair of leggings. Do you know the ribbed pair of leggings? I think these were either 8 or 9 or maybe 12 euro, I don't know. Can't remember how much they were because I actually wore them already, and I can't wait to get my hands on the green pair, but I don't have it, and I got them with this matching set. So I'm just gonna try these 2 on and I'll be right back. And I am back with this 2-piece. How adorable. I absolutely love this top. Literally, I hate tops that come up this high, but because it's just up to here, it actually doesn't strangle me, and it's the perfect size crop top. So I wore this with jeans as well. Beautiful. So this is the top in the tan color. It is as beautiful as the black one. Like, how gorgeous is this? And it's the same length. You can wear it with jeans and these leggings. There's nothing I can say bad about it. So guys, this is my last little piece. This is green crop, and it's beautiful. I'm not wearing this with a bra, but if you wear it with a bra, you can hide it easily because the straps are quite thick. And the khaki green is just absolutely amazing. It is a bit on the shorter side, but once you wear it with some high-waisted trousers, leggings, jeans, whatever, you should be fine. If you're not very comfortable with crops like this one. So, yep, that's my last piece, guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and sorry for it being so short. Well, I was trying to make it a bit quicker because I know some pieces like the bodysuits, they repeated themselves because I have 4 different colours. I tried 2 on just so you can see how the light ones look to compare it to how the darker ones, you know, to see if it's see-through or not. So I just wanted to keep it short, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Thank you, and wait for part 2. See you.